Easy things should be easy, and hard things should be possible. Larry Wall. Bro, ever wondered while you're doing something? You feel like, nah, it's so hard. I can't do it. Let's save this for later. Even if that duty is important. Most of us have regular appointments with the little things that always feels hard, usually us. Well, what makes that hard is the emotional relationship to it, not what the thing actually is. It's normal to prefer easy over hard. If there's a way we can do something easy instead, without triggering any apparent consequences, we take it by default. The biggest factor in getting something to go from hard to easy is normally exposure. The more you encounter something, the less intimidating it gets. Your emotional relationship changes. There's less uncertainty, your skill in dealing with it improves, your resentment for it fades, your craving for ease or salvation disappears. It has become easy. So, if you have a bit of foresight, the easiest thing to do is to make the hard things easy. You make the hard things harder when you let yourself fall into a habit of avoiding them. Performing difficult tasks in your personal life is a skill that everyone should possess. Some guy found a strategy to do hard things when you didn't feel motivated to. You have to train your brain by practicing being focused. Focus can be hard to accomplish when you're faced with a task that seems difficult or too big to accomplish. You should plan and visualize what it is you have to do and break the task into smaller tasks, so my focus narrows. Creating this plan, you will train your brain to be more focused and be able to take on hard things. Procrastinating makes easy things hard and hard things harder. It may minimize productivity, and we could miss out our goals. The key concept of transmuting hard things to easy is to stop procrastinating. I hope you get it. After following these habits, you will eventually program your brain to the hard things, which will become easier by the time passes. Every people on this planet has the same body, same mindset. It's about how they use it. Well, now let me tell you something. No matter how scheduled and strict routine you follow, you have to do the hard things to get an easy life. The statement says it all. Okay, this is everything for this video. Thanks for watching.